that that game should be related to the topic. Okay? So that it's not out of the bush. So that we have our intended goal. We can get our intended goal for that day.
Yeah. Hello everyone, it's me Tammy from Speaking Up Vietnam English for Everyone. And sitting beside me here today is teacher Jerry from Elsa from Luang City, Philippines.
Okay, hello everyone. By the way, I'm teacher Jerry. So beside of me is one of the agents. Okay, I think she's pretty good this day. I think she's really ready to interview.
Yes.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes. How long have you been teaching as an ESL English teacher?
Okay, so I've been teaching here in Alsa, Compostela from June 14 until this current time.
So, do you have a lot of experience teaching like junior?
Yeah, not only in Alsa but also outside Alsa. Like before, I had my pre-service teaching when I was in my college because I'm a graduate of education.
That sounds good.
Yeah. Actually, I'm not an English teacher. I took physics, one of the branches of science. Then, since I've been waiting for the call from the public school, so I decided to come here in Alsa to teach and to share my knowledge about English. That's it. And it's an unexpected decision.
Yes. And what is the differences or the difficulties between teaching adults and children?
Okay, that's a very hard question. Okay. In all honesty, there's a big gap or the big difference in teaching between adult students and junior students. But as a teacher, I have an important role in how to teach my student in an easier way. So I need to use differentiated instruction or ways and how to make them easier to understand. Like I will use pictures, or games, or if they really want to share about something like in terms of another subject, not English. So I let them do that. That's my strategy. I need to learn first the student before I give them the proper instruction. But then again, we cannot deny the fact that there's a situation that the junior would really want to learn subjects from the adults. So what should I do? I need to be versatile. I need to widen my mind. Okay, in order for me to fit in to their interests. Okay? Because sometimes juniors really want to talk about adults matters. Okay? So there are some students who are really good, who are smart, but they're also average only. So it depends on the situation.
So, for example, one nice day, you come in the class, enter the class, and then the students are very sleepy and they make a rebel. Like, oh, teacher, I don't want to study today. What will you do?
Okay, I will use my artistic way of teaching. Like I will introduce them games so that I can wake up their interest. Maybe I will introduce them new game, or they will give me a game, then we will play that one. But I'll make it sure that that game should be related to the topic. Okay? So that it's not out of the bush. So that we have our intended goal. We can get our intended goal for that day.
We can make students involved into the lesson, the game.
Yeah, that's it. We need to involve the other situation too in another situation.
Which skills are they already good at, and which skills do they need to improve more?
Okay. That's one of the problems that this school should address. one of the problems that the students are facing today in terms of studying English, speaking, and proper pronunciation. Okay. With regards to speaking, they need to gather more information. It's like they need a good foundation with regards to vocabulary because they cannot speak without enough vocabulary, right?
Yeah.
And the pronunciation. Sometimes, like Koreans, they have their own accent, and whenever they speak, it's not easy for the teacher to understand.
No.
Okay, so that's why the ELSA, has a plan to promote proper education, like to promote ways and how to make it easier for the students to cope up with those skills. Okay?
By how? In detail.
In detail, like they should give a subject. They will give a subject focusing on speaking and proper pronunciation. Though we have a speaking subject here, but that's not enough. Okay, and teachers here are diverse. I mean, say teachers cannot don't have fixed schedule. What I really wanted to tell you is teachers should have their fixed subject. Like if you are into speaking, all of your subjects should be speaking. If you are into reading, then all of your subjects should be reading. Okay, that's what I mean.